Hey guys, we have a Walt Disney World trip coming up in November, and so I decided what better way to count down our trip than with an advent calendar. I chose this Lego Star Wars box, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside. Let's take a look. Hey everybody, I picked up a little hitchhiker today. Y'all remember my granddaughter Kylie, and she is going to help us with day 6 of the Star Wars Advent Calendar. She's going to punch day 6 for us and see what we get. Okay, Kylie, you wanna go ahead and punch out number 6? Let's see. Where is it?
Right here.
Right, yeah, punch it over here. There you go. There you go. Open it up. Let's see what we get. Okay. Ooh, what do we get? Ooh.
Let me see what it looks. Oh, I think I know what it is. I think it looks kind of like one of those
It
looks like that.
Does it look like the castle? Maybe.
Maybe.
I think that's what it is. I know what I think this is. This is Darth Vader's castle. That's what it is. I think that's Darth Vader's castle. So we're going to put this together for you and come back and show you what it looks like. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
There is an assembly diagram on each flap to help with putting these together, so that's nice. Another great pull for today. It's not the castle as I thought, but it's an Imperial TIE Interceptor. It is the lightest, fastest, and most responsive starfighter in space. It can use its high acceleration and turn rates to outmaneuver an enemy fighter, evade missiles, and dodge incoming cannon fire from capital ship turrets. This maneuverability is essential because while it is the fastest, it is also the most fragile, sacrificing armor and shields for speed and agility. This starfighter was most notably used during the Battle of Endor. This is a great box with some cool pieces. Here's a look at what we've pulled so far. I look forward to tomorrow's video. Don't forget to hurry back and check it out. And may the Force be with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe and come hang out with us on social media. We're the Hitchhiking Bones, and we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. There's always room for one more, so hurry back.